Are you looking for something interesting and not expensive for your entertainment? I'm sure that chess can fulfill your requirement. Yes, in a country of sun, beaches, and football, it seems that chess do not fit, but I will explain to you that your opinion is based on misconceptions that I will try to destroy. The first misconception is that chess takes a long time to be played. In fact, chess is played with a clock like this one. In advance, you adjust the total amount of time of each player. In this case, I have adjusted 15 minutes for each player. At the end, the game will take less than half an hour. This is less than a football game. And if you compare with tennis and volleyball, where you do not know how much time it will take, you see how chess is nice. The second misconception is that chess is a very difficult game, just for very intelligent people. I will try to explain this point using the TikTok tool game that all children know how to play. Instead of using crosses and circles, I will use black and white stones to make it similar to a chess game. If you start a game at this position and the other player puts the black piece on this point, you can see a trick to win the game. Is that you must play here, the second one has to put the piece on this point. If not, there will be 3 white pieces together, and then with this move, white won the game. But because there are 2 possibilities to win the game. With chess, the difference is that there are many possibilities. The number of possibilities of chess are bigger than the number of seconds passed since the Big Bang. This makes each chess match a new one. It's extremely interesting. The third prejudice is related with the idea that chess is tiring, that it's not exciting. This is not true. Chess is much more exciting than a video game. The difference is that in the video game, everything is already on the screen. In chess, everything is in your mind, is your imagination. Chess is like a battle, a medieval battle. In this battle take place the white and the black army. Each army is composed by the king. The king is like an old man that moves slowly 1 square each time in all directions. The king has also the queen that can move in all directions. The army has also these small towers are named hooks. There are 2 of them, and they move along columns and lines. 2 bishops that are like the church or the diplomatic forces in a battle. They move along diagonals. And finally, the horses that are named knights and move 2 squares ahead and 1 to the left, or 2 squares to the left and 1 ahead, always forming an L. To compensate for this small range of squares, the knight can jump over other pieces. And to complete the army, there are the small soldiers, the humble subjects of the king, named pawns. They can move 1 square each time, but when they reach the other side of the board, they can be changed. For instance, They can be transformed in a queen. This is magic. This is wonderful. This is chess. But it's not only that. With chess, you exercise your memory, and this is very important for old people. With chess, you learn to recognize your mistakes. You learn to plan, to distribute your time. Obviously, it would be impossible to explain everything in such a few minutes. Therefore, I have written a small booklet named Xadrez Sem Mistério. It's in Portuguese. Perhaps you can help me to translate it into English. But this book fills a gap in chess literature, where you find a lot of books with details that at the end are like a wall saying, do not come to this game. With this small booklet, friendly booklet, it will be easier to understand the mysteries of this game. I hope to meet you in the near future to play a chess game. Thank you.